Hi, good to see you again. In this video, I'm going to give you some insights into how to take your life to the next level, whether that be in relationships, in business, in career, in sport, or in health. You choose the context, and I can show you how to step up to the next level. That's my job. Now, the metaphor that I find most helpful is that of climbing a mountain. Now, the first step is to create a base camp at the foot of the mountain. In simple terms, this means you need to have adequate food and shelter and an income which gives you just enough security for you to plan your journey up the mountainside. So, from the base camp, you start looking up the mountainside and you start dreaming of taking your life to the next level. The base camp is your present state, and the levels up the side of the mountain are your desired outcomes. To get from the base camp to the first level of success, you need to map out the steps and stages and then take incremental action steps. Now, be aware that as you take steps up the mountainside, you're stepping into a new lifestyle and you're leaving your old lifestyle behind. So perhaps you enroll in a course and you study for a new qualification. You get a better job and you get to make some new friends. And so slowly you move up the mountainside, reaching up to the next best version of yourself. There are a number of ways to look at this. Once you get to achieve an outcome, then what do you get to have and to experience? And what will this mean to you? Or once you get this outcome, then what will it allow you to do? And once you get the outcome, then what are the challenges that you have to face? For example, what is the next outcome that you want to achieve? And what are the next steps that you need to take to keep yourself moving up the mountainside? And what do you have to let go of? What do you need to leave behind in order to free yourself up to move up the mountainside? So you start with the present state and a desired outcome. You access or mobilize your inner and your outer resources, and you take action steps towards the desired outcome. As you make progress towards the outcome, your present state changes. And once you attain the outcome, then a new outcome will have to be addressed. So the present state to desired outcome is constantly evolving, and every level of success will bring with it new challenges which need to be addressed. Now, some people may seem to be happy with their level of success and accept what they have achieved or not achieved. But I don't think that people like mediocrity. I think that they just get stuck and are not sure what is the next step to move up the mountainside. In fact, I believe that everyone has an innate drive to strive towards bigger and greater things. And I'm not talking about money, power, and prestige. Some people are more driven towards self-actualization, towards spiritual enlightenment. Some may be driven more towards exploring the unexpressed aspects of themselves. A couple of days ago, I was watching a YouTube video and a well-credentialed medical doctor introduced himself to an audience of his peers. And what is interesting is one of the first things that he did was to show a slide of a painting that he had done. This was so telling because even though the topic was on medical research, what I think he wanted to be acknowledged for was his artistic talent. And I had to laugh because that is exactly what I do. I will ask a friend to look at an article on my website, and I'm more interested in what they think of my artwork than the content of the article. So as you move up the mountain and you carve out a level of success to manifest the next best version of yourself, what do you need to focus on in order to take another step up that mountain? Now, here is a simple NLP future selfing tool that you can use right now. Start by making some notes about your present state in the context of life, relationships, career, sport, health, business. this is what you have today. And what are the problems and challenges that you face in these contexts? What do you need to let go of physically, emotionally, and mentally? What are the results that you want to achieve in each of these contexts 1 to 3 months from now? And what mindset do you need? To help build in motivation, you could ask questions like, once you get an outcome, then what will that allow you to get and to have? And once you get that, then what will that allow you to get and to have? And once you get that, then what will that mean to you? So once you have clarified your present state and your desired outcome, and you have a compelling reason why you should take some action towards achieving the desired outcomes, then you map out the steps and stages, and most importantly, you should take some action now, while it's fresh in your mind. And on that point, if you like this video, then come and join me over at my website. There's an online NLP Future Selfing course that you can use to step up to the next best version of yourself. I also have a Facebook group and recently started a group on my website. If you're interested in booking a coaching package with me, then feel free to connect with me on Skype or Zoom, or send me an email from my website. Details are in the comment section below the video. All the best to you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.